Yes, test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3. This is audio from the Gopro, and this is the audio from the Ecamm. Test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3. Let's try out like a 1-minute video, 2 minutes. I hope it capture my voice, and yeah, I really hope it capture my voice. Hey, panas. Today is quite hot. It's like damn hot. I'm going to Serban, got some stuff to do, so yeah. This is a 2010 Saga Proton Saga BLM. I've been using it like 9 years already. Technically it's 9 years. On May 2019. I just got the complete. I just changed the shock absorber, the front and the rear. One set. Just change it to the OEM setup. This is a test for 2019. The GoPro Hero 3 Plus Black and the